Hi guys, this is Ramesh from Let's Explore, and in today's video we'll be discussing the best riding jackets that you can buy right now in the market. I'm categorizing it into three categories, that is the jackets under 5,000 rupees, under the 10,000 rupees and under 15,000 rupees. So let's get it started.
I have done a lot of research and taken the customer reviews from online sites to make this video. The first jacket under 5,000 rupees is the Royal Enfield Street Wind version 2. It has Knox Flexiform with level 1 armors for shoulder and elbow. It has 90% mesh which makes it fully ventilated and you can use it in your daily commute. Next in the list is XTS Airhead Ride Jacket. It has heavy duty abrasion resistant shell, also has level 1 protection at shoulder, elbow and back. It has great ventilation for in-city hot and humid rides. It has a detachable rain and winter liner that makes it an all-season riding jacket. First jacket under the 10,000 rupees is the Motortex Scrambler Air. It is an ideal all-season jacket which has a thermal liner as well as a rain liner. Both are detachable. It has CE level 1 certified armors on the elbow and the shoulder. It is a perfect companion during your city commutes as well as your long distance riding. This is the Venom Assault Jacket. It has removable CE approved armors on shoulders, elbows and back. It also has a rain liner as well as a thermal liner. The price of this is below 6,500 rupees. Next is the Air GT3 jacket from Rhinox. It has SafeTech CE level 2 protectors at the shoulder, elbow and back. The ventilation is really good so that you can wear this in the summers as well. It has an internal rain liner as well as a winter liner. Next is the Viking Brotherhood Explorer jacket. It has great looks, decent protection and all-season usability. It has an inner removable thermal liner as well as an external rain jacket. It has armor protection at elbows, shoulders and back. Pricing starts from 6,500 and goes all the way to 8,000 rupees. It depends on the size of the jacket. This is the Rider Turbine jacket which has level 2 SASTEC armor at the elbows and shoulders. It has full mesh lining for maximum ventilation during those hot summer days. It also has a reversible waterproof liner for the monsoon. It is priced at 7,500 rupees. This is the Rider Kovac motorcycle jacket. It has level 2 approved armor for shoulder, elbow and back. It has a full mesh body for maximum cooling on hot days. The price starts from 8,250. This is the Rhinos Tornado Pro 3 jacket. As the name suggests, it's the third version of the Tornado lineup. This comes with level 2 protectors from Knox for shoulders and elbow and a level 2 back protector from SafeTech. It has an internal rain liner and a winter liner. The price of this is 8,350 rupees. The last jacket under the 10,000 segment is another jacket from Rhinox, the Storm Evo. This is a touring jacket which has level 2 Knox protectors for the shoulder, elbow and back. It also has the external metal sliders on the shoulder. It comes with internal rain and winter liners. The price of this jacket is 9,750. I have included 3 Adventure all-season jackets under 15,000 rupees. The first one is the Solus Furious version 2. It is an all-season jacket with removable waterproof liner and thermal liner. These liners can be worn as a standalone jacket. When it comes to protection, it has level 1 for the chest and level 2 protectors for the back, elbow and shoulder. The price of this jacket is 11,750 rupees. Next in the list is the Rhinox Stealth Evo version 3 jacket. It has Nox Microlock CE Level 2 certified armors at the shoulder and elbow and CE Level 2 certified at the back. It also has a Level 1 certified chest protection. It has an external rain liner and an internal winter liner. The cost of this jacket is 11,950 rupees. This is the Royal Enfield Cardungula version 2 jacket. It is an all-weather jacket which comes with 2-layer construction in addition to a separate rain jacket. It is equipped with CE Level 2 armor at shoulder and elbow. The price of this jacket is 12,950 rupees. I hope you understood the different jackets that are available for you to buy right now. It depends on you which jacket is the most suitable for your needs. Riding jackets are mostly priced according to the level of protection it offers. So safety should be your number one priority while buying your next riding gear. Ride safe, like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is Ramesh signing off. Let's keep exploring.